Hi, I'm Howard Fleischman Sr. with Community Tire Pros and Auto Repair. We're here today to celebrate the love of Arizona and the love of small business. I'm representing NARPRO, your neighborhood auto repair professional. We're a small group of shops throughout the valley that put our customers first. We've come up with a program which starts Monday at our store at 32nd Street and Greenway, where every customer that comes in gets a chance to win a $50 gift certificate to L'Amore Restaurant. In addition, that customer can choose what first responder gets another $50 gift certificate. And if you don't have a first responder in your life, let our shop know that and we'll pick one for you. It's going to be very exciting. The gift certificate is going to be to L'Amore, the love of Italian food. It's Patty's favorite restaurant, and here with me today is Greg, who owns L'Amore, to tell you a little bit about what the opportunity could be.
Thank you, Howard. My name is Greg, and I'm the owner of L'Amore Restaurant, myself and my family. We've been here almost 20 years in the Valley. We serve good, authentic Italian food. We're open Tuesday through Saturday, 4 to 8. And we've been using Community Tire, Howard and Patty, for many years. We love these guys. They're honest, they're truthful, and just like everybody else, we want to get through this problem that everybody's going through. So everybody stay safe and support the local businesses. Thank you very much.
We're referring to this as COVID mad. We're very, very mad at what this COVID-19 has put the community through. Greg, as everyone knows, you can't serve in the dining room yet, but you can do pickup Tuesday through Saturday?
Tuesday through Saturday.
Tuesday through Saturday, and that includes liquor. This is
You
the
bet
place.
it does.
This is the place to get Italian food. So I wish you all luck. Hope to see you soon. We'll be doing another store in a week. Thank you.
Stay safe.